Propeller ad account I made from my company. Send me a verification mail. You can also go with that. And it is saying I have to select my new password. So I am creating my password. I have finished login to my dashboard. So created all. It is saying offer today, upgrade your account green to silver until end of the month. Welcome Rahul, start here. AI assistant is also there. And now first of all we need to like add some balance. So if you want to add some balance, then you can check it here. You can add with PayPal, Union Pay, bank card, wire transfer, skill, wallet, gamma, G. You can start with. And minimum amount you can like minimum amount is $200, $500, $1,000. It is saying that amount to be credited $200, services 7, it is a tax, right? So $7 is the tax which will deduct from you. Auto charge I agree. And you need to pay it from here. If you are interested, then you can pay from PayPal account also. Okay, so first we are going to create a campaign, right? We have started to create a campaign. So when you click on this partner.propellerads.com, in this we can run how many types of ad. The campaign objective we will discuss in detail. Sort of objectives are here in the Facebook, in PPC, in LinkedIn ads. You can check that there are awareness campaign, engagement campaign, sales campaign. Here also you need to create your first like campaign. You need to like create for like it is a name. You can name some like Rajputana sales campaign or Digiwebengineers sales campaign, digiwebengineers.org sales campaign, website sales campaign, right? Add a folder. So you can create a folder also. Like for example, if you create a folder A, then all the stuffs will be like you are creating a further ad. This like ad copy will be saved in this folder, right? This is the main thing we need to discuss about. Choose a advertising format. So you need to like choose your advertising format. There are 4 types of ads, right? This is one click, pop up, pop under, and direct click. So full page eye catchy ads opening in the background, right? So this one is one click ad. This one is push notification, short message with the image delivered directly to user device. So it will be working on Android, iOS, and iPhones. So these are push notification. These are survey exit. We don't want this to like execute. So this one is important because today also I got 10 number of inquiries on my YouTube channel, and they were like asking me, sir, we are running ads on directly Telegram ads. Like we are converting tons, our INR to ton, and then after we are running ads, and the Telegram is saying that it is diverting or disqualifying the policy, advertisement policy. So Telegram is not letting them to run ads, right? You can select like Telegram's ad, banner ad in Telegram mini app. You can use this one for those people who are not able to run ads. Be suggesting this is a better tool for them, so they can go with this Telegram ads. So we are using one click pop under direct click ad. So traffic type is website, direct click, social traffic, right? 3 types of traffic type. So we want like full tab ad with maximum visibility, open in a new browser, or direct click tab, top converting zone, providing direct visit to your offer, or social traffic, highly engaged user on social media platform like Facebook. Or most of the people, they will ask me that is this campaign will run on Facebook and Instagram? Yes, of course, because Facebook also they have their like channel partners. Channel partner, one of them is like a Propeller ads. Like Telegram is also the channel partner for Propeller ads. So in Propeller ads you can run campaigns. So if you want, then you can get the social traffic. And on the right hand side, it is saying the full details in the description. You can directly go with this. And so this is a Propeller ad bot. You can join this also. So if you want any question answers, so you can directly go with that. So if you need to like set up some anytime automation or a Telegram bot automation, then you can like book our call also. You can visit to our website. So that bot will automatically work for you 24/7. Once it is set into local system, then we will be helping you to set up from by any desk. We will be like setting up. I have made previously a video on YouTube channel. It is a free of cost. You can go with that. It is basically on Hindi. If you want, then I can create it on English also. So here you will get engaged audience, better performance, friendly policy. Now we have to now we will come on pricing model. So which model you will choose? Like CPA is cost per acquisition, smart CPM is cost per impression. Actually, what the customer wants, most of the people when they come to me, they visit to my website, they just have a word with me. They talk with me that in 10,000 rupees how much clients they will get. So it is not about the client, because we cannot commit that in 10,000 or $50 or $100 you will get this amount of customers. It is not fixed. So for better performance you can select CPA goal. So it is most of the like my customers also, they just told me that CPA is good pricing model. For pricing model, like now you need to like target you set target URL. In target URL you will see some like device. You can like put the tracking code over here, the click ID, campaign browser, banner, okay, OG, user agent, zone ID, language, cost. You can just add up to this tracking template. This is a formula, and mainly I have made a free tutorial on my YouTube channel. Then if you are facing some issues with the tracking template, then you can go with that also, and you can check there properly that how I'm making tracking template formula for every campaign for my landing page. So here it is talking about traffic source. So the country where you need to get traffic, already you told me that you want traffic from North America, Africa. Like Africa, I have selected this all, right? Or if you want to select Europe, you can select, like for example, I am selecting tier 2 city. You told me to select Africa, Germany, and most of the countries. From here also you can select, and you need to set the CPA goal. For example, you can set like a $5, right? So it will be the $5. So you can select it here, and you, if you need, then you can target the city wise also, state wise also. So you can select it here. And daily advertising budget. So you can say that if you have a budget of $500 daily, then you can set the daily budget. The campaign total budget is also $500. So you can set it here, or you can set the ad alert also. If you are coming minimum to expend $500, then automatically you will get some notification on your mail, or some on this platform here you will get some notification. So you if you are targeting, then you have to select only mobile device, right? So you can select mobile. So if you want, then you can select the iOS device also. You want to include or remove or graphics card. It is a detailed targeting, right? If you go with the detailed targeting, then you will be getting the good amount of quality of leads. Like already it is showing that you will get some better performance, friendly policy, no creatives, and you will getting some good number of leads and good quality leads, right? So you need to select all this. And zone also, you can select sub zone. And collect audience retargeting, then you can collect this one. And there is no, so you can create your own. And for example, it is showing that you need a 15 unique audience. So it is a fresh campaign, then you can go with it. Or if you want, then you can collect also. So I declare guarantee, and then you can click on the start campaign, right? So automatically it will go under verification. You can, and right now it is showing that your balance, because previously also told you there is a 00, then you can add your credit card or $200 credit here. In $200 you can set your campaign, right? So it is coming into red. Then if you, I'll start the campaign, then it is showing that balance. Then okay, so I have trained you this much. And if you have any queries, then you can ask.